Okay guys, before we continue with today's video, I do want to let you know that if you want to support the channel a bit more, you can hit our link in the description below and sign up on Fizzslots. They have really nice promotions. Also, you can enter CasinoMates as a code. They have really good promotions. They have 100% on the first deposit, plus 100 free spins. And they have a good variety of games. And yeah, let's continue with the video. What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video here on the channel. Today we are back on Fizzslots, playing some Money Train 4. Okay. That's a €100 bonus. Yeah, we're probably gonna want to buy the super bonus since like not having the guy is really bad. Okay, that would have been really good. Okay, we're at least hitting, so nice, let's go. Hitting the right one as well. Collector, not bad. So that's not bad actually. That's really good. Okay. This is not bad. And it's gonna collect again, or? This guy is insane actually. Okay, 80x already. We somehow need a collector again, or that guy again. That would be really good. Don't die here. Hit here so we can open a reel. Nice, let's go. So we have another reel opened. Don't die here. Please. Okay. That's really bad. Almost all the money back, so not the worst that could have happened, but let's go for a €350 buy. But I think it's random what we get. Okay. A good start at least. This is probably the best setup you can have, right? Like multiply and collect. That should be really good. I think that's the best one for sure. Like we just need to hit a lot of them now. This could be huge actually. We're already at the 265. It can't die here, right? Please don't die here. Hello? Like this is not bad, but it could have been a lot better. Imagine we continued to hit there. Like that's really good, but what we could have gotten. This guy is not the best, I guess. Like we had the best setup for sure. This only multiplies, so we do need a collect as well. So if we can somehow drop a collect, nice. That's like the same, so that's really good. If we could just keep hitting now, we just need. Oh, that's not persistent. This is probably not. Why is it only 1x? Okay, nice. Okay, that's really good. But there's still only a 1x. I don't know how we can, like, up this, but... Okay, so now we're at the 2x, so... Okay, not bad. This could actually be a setup, you know? We have 4 spins as well. So it should be really hard to just die out straight away. Okay. Okay, nice save, at least. We needed that for sure. I think this bonus is like 500 or 400 extra buy or something, I don't know. It's quite expensive. Don't die here. That would be really bad. Okay. And it's dead. So half the money back basically. We can still go for another one. We really want to not this guy. That's so bad. Like, this is so bad. Collector at least could be something, but having the guy that changes is so much better. Like, again, really bad. Going for a last bonus buy here, I think. Or maybe we can do 2 more. Let's see. Persistent collector as well. Not the best again. Okay. If we got this guy and persistent, would have been so much better. Okay. Now it's eating a lot. It's not paying at all. So this will be an all-in. So hopefully we can get a good shapeshifter. I think that's the best one. Hopefully this will pay. Probably. Taos next for sure. So I'm not gonna skip this since this one is really good. If it dies straight away, that's going to be nuts. Okay. Just land a lot of them now. Collector is not the best one here. We can get an extra spin as well, that would be really nice. Please don't be the last hit. There's no way, right? Oh, that's so bad. Like, we can do a $50 buy. Just to see, getting the payer as well. Probably going to be a really bad one. Never mind. So I think also the respin is random, right? Since... Ah, you need a bonus symbol as well for it to respin. Epic win. Not bad actually. Let's just do another bonus actually, so... 150 bonus with persistent payer. Hopefully we can get upgrades straight away. Get some more persistent going. Okay, so if we can open another reel, that would be really good. Okay, not bad. Now we just need to upgrade this guy. Like, if we can just open this one, would be really good. Last spin is probably going to die here. That would be really bad. Okay, nice. If he gives us the sniper now, it's really good actually. Please don't die here. Last spin, save us again, please. No, of course not. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. Do leave a like if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.